In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a chat widget in Gohighlevel. If you want to duplicate an existing chat widget instead of building a new one from scratch, this process is quick and straightforward. Cloning is especially useful when you already have a widget with the design, messaging, or settings you like, and you simply want to create a copy that you can adjust later without affecting the original. To begin, log into Gohighlevel and make sure you're inside the correct account or location where the chat widget currently exists. Once you're on the main dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the primary navigation menu for the platform. From that left sidebar, click on Sites. This will take you to the section where website-related assets are managed, including funnels, websites, and chat widgets. After that page opens, move to the top menu and click on Chat Widget. That will bring you to the area where all of your available chat widgets are listed. Now hover your mouse over the chat widgets shown on the page and look for the specific chat widget that you want to clone. Take a moment here to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several widgets with similar names or purposes. Choosing the right starting widget can save you time later. Once you've found the widget you want to copy, click on the three dots associated with that widget. This opens the action menu with additional options. From that menu, click on Clone. This tells Gohighlevel that you want to create a duplicate version of the selected widget. After that, a confirmation prompt will appear. This is simply asking you to verify that you want to proceed with cloning the widget. Review it briefly, then click on Clone again to confirm the action. At that point, Gohighlevel will create a duplicate of the original chat widget. Once the clone is created, you can open it and make any changes you need, such as updating the name, editing the content, or adjusting settings for a different page or campaign. That way you keep the original intact while working on a copied version. And that's it. That's how to clone a chat widget in Gohighlevel. It's a simple feature, but it can save a lot of setup time when you want consistency across multiple widgets or need a fast starting point for customization.